How to join group in Telegram using QR code. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to use a QR code if you want to join a group. The first thing you need to make sure that you already have the application and you can open it ahead of time. And another application that you need to download here is a QR scanner. Everything or all these applications can be downloaded through the App Store or Play Store. Okay. Once it has been fully downloaded, you can just click on open. Once you have the QR code ready, you just need to open the QR code scanner and then click on scan on the upper left corner and then just scan the image or the QR code for that group. And then there you have it. You have the link for you to join the group. So you can either share or copy, or you can just go ahead and click on open and you will be redirected to the Telegram application. And this will be the group that you will be joining. You just need to click on join. And then when you hit on it, you will be informed that you have joined the channel. And that's how you will be joining a group using a QR code in Telegram. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.